is back and we're going new places with new faces.
Didn't see you there. Hi, I'm John. Wicked excited to be here today. We're out and about to climb Mount Washington on the historic Cog Railway.
Morning folks, welcome aboard.
How's it going?
How we doing?
Like your hat.
Thank you. Well, it's you guys' first time riding?
Yeah.
Awesome, well you're coming on a great year. We're celebrating the 150th this year. All right, well hop right on, and if you need any help with your seats, let me know.
Welcome to the Mount Washington Cog Railway, everybody. Let me hear some noise. Welcome to New Hampshire. Live free or die, baby. You guys feel that smooth burst of acceleration? Yeah, we just reached our maximum speed of 5 miles an hour. You're gonna be able to physically see how much of an angle we're at right here. This is really cool. We're coming up to the halfway house. The halfway house, tour right here. Look at the reflection of this window. You'll see how much of an angle our train is at.
This is real. Like, I legit did not expect such a dip. Like, we are.
I
don't even know. That's scary.
Crazy how the clouds just rolled in.
Or we rolled into the clouds.
The reason that the trees don't grow up here is due to the extreme weather. There was a wind speed recorded in 1934 as a 231-mile-an-hour gust. That was recorded by a manned weather station, and to this day that holds the record as the fastest wind speed to ever be recorded by a manned weather station. It definitely gets extremely windy up here. There's 3 major storm fronts that come from every direction, and it just causes brutal weather to happen up here.
I think my face is frozen off from all the wind and the mist, and we're not even off the train yet.
How are y'all doing, folks?
I don't know what to expect out here. There's snow up here!
Still got a good couple of patches of snow up here. I hope you guys brought your sleds.
I think I'm gonna throw on another jacket. It's pretty cold. I got gloves, I got a hat, I got glass, a jacket, and words.
Welcome to the summit of Mount Washington, everybody! So I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. And once again, thank you all very much for coming and riding with us.
Chugga chugga!
Choo-choo! It's like a whole new world. You step off the train and you're in Hogwarts.
People are coming off in t-shirts and like, we're putting out jackets, we have gloves.
I mean, it's June, but it feels like December.
Sun's coming out.
288 feet, baby! The wind is unreal. I feel like I can just fly like a
Yeah, the wind just like picked up immediately.
I was always told this is the place with the world's worst weather, and now I can see why. Oh my gosh, I wonder how many rocks it takes. This is insane. We're right outside the Tip Top House, which was built in the 1800s for hikers.
I can't believe how many rocks it took. 3 feet thick. Seen like so much weather over the years. Incredible it's still standing.
Wind is unreal.
Flies out.
Though the weather conditions up here can be really extreme, it's not always like this.
On a clear day here on the summit, you can see as far as Maine, New York, Canada, and even the ocean.
What a great day spent at the Mount Washington Cog Railway. Regardless of the weather, you know, even though it was a little overcast and we couldn't see much, it was still really fun to explore and an interesting way to capture the White Mountains.
The weather at the bottom is beautiful and the weather up top, you know, it's variable. And the Mount Washington Cog Railway is a really good way to get up and access the summit. If you can't hike, take the cog.